Hey, good morning, crypto traders. All right, in my daily morning update on the crypto market, I alluded to this particular position, which I explained I was in, basic attention token, and I alluded also to the fact that we pumped uh, immensely yesterday from basically a price of around $1, and we hit our high yesterday BAT, basic attention token, of $1.85. It was pretty exciting to sit around the table with my family, eat turkey, drink beer, watch football, and watch crypto all at the same time. And I think this was the most exciting part of the day. As you all know, uh, wherever you're at on my social media platforms, whether it's Rumble, YouTube, TradingView, I mean, I'm all over the place and I post these videos. I last posted a video that we would be hitting a target of $1.65, which we did today on today's candle, actually, which went into the night last night. All right, so here, Eastern Standard Time, the new candle starts printing at 8 p.m. So that was yesterday and into the day. Pretty exciting to watch. And my subscribers at studamus.substack.com, my founding member subscribers, I should say, knew that I was heavily invested into this particular crypto, heavily weighted, uh, much more weighted than I usually am. However, from the analytics that I have done, I knew this was going to pump again like it did. And so you all knew exactly where I exited, when I exited, and where I went. And so, congratulations if you were in this trade with me. And even those of you here on TradingView, YouTube, Rumble, Vimeo, Odyssey, wherever you're watching this video, uh, I posted a free trade alert for you. I said we're going to $1.65. Now, you wouldn't have necessarily played the levels as I teach my subscribers to do, but you still made 60% plus profit depending on how long you held it. Now, hopefully, you did take my hint and take my target and exited. You should have exited really 100% there, unless your risk tolerance is much higher than mine. But some of you probably did hold past that target, and I hope you made better profits than me rather than holding on until we came down here, because at this point I think we're all we're going to come all the way back down to this line that I've been talking about, I feel like ad nauseum in these basic attention token videos. This is a very, very significant line of resistance, which is now support, right? Especially if we close above that line today, which I suspect we will. Now, our candle is not closed out yet, and it's a bearish candle. This is a shooting star, so we are coming down hard and fast at this point. And again, I hope those of you who were in this trade with me have exited, have been disciplined in that exit strategy, and are now waiting for a better price. The job today that we're going to perform is to predict where I think this will go into the future. And I haven't actually done more analytics on this yet. So we're going to all do this together on the fly and learn together in tracing, drawing these patterns, finding correlative data, and helping use that data to project future price movement. All right, so the first thing that I see here, of course, is this Fibonacci, which I drew from the breakout of this triangle all the way up to our previous high, which was 154. And let me zoom out here and see where the 1.68 level is, and that is 209. All right, so we've got a price there. Keep that in the back of your mind. We'll see if that comes into the play in the future. Second thing I want to do is zoom out even further, because back here, now, this area was before I started making these videos I wish I had made these videos with you all back when I entered at 20 cents, because that was a really exciting time, and you guys could have all traded along with me from 20 cents all the way up to $1.65. I would have loved to see your reactions and enthusiasm in this kind of a trade, because man, what is that? 6, 7, 8x. 8x we did, or I did, I guess, by myself, because I didn't have you guys along for the ride, from 20 cents all the way up to $1.65. And then I didn't actually exit at the top. I didn't know this was going to turn out to be a head and shoulders pattern, but it did, right? You see the head and shoulders right here, right? And so then what happened? Once we hit that neckline, we broke around the 19th of May and came all the way down to our target. Now, thankfully, I was smart enough to recognize this as a head and shoulders pattern before we broke that neckline, and I actually did exit here. I was out half of my trade around this level, and then the other 50% around this trade or this level. So still from 20 cents all the way up to $1.34, and also a dollar. That's 5 to 6.5x just from this point here. So anyways, going forwards, you guys are going to be with me on these trades. And I digress. We have a Fibonacci here from our low before the breakout to the high of 165. What is that 1.68 level telling us? That one's telling us 255. All right, so another data point. Store that in the back of your heads. What else can we utilize here? All right, well, I see that we could probably, and let's do this since we're doing this live, we can probably draw another Fibonacci from the breakout of our neckline here to the high here, and that shows us a price of 236-ish, 237, something like that. Yeah, 236, 237. All right, another data point. So we got 209 all the way to 255 over here. Now let's zoom out again. Let's see what else we can find here. All right, I'm going to zoom back in. Okay, I have just spotted something. Yeah. Yep. All right. Do you see what I see? All right, I won't sing for you. All right. Left shoulder. Head. Right shoulder. You guys see this, right? That is a perfect neckline. We touched here. After we formed the left shoulder, we touched here again, started to form the head. We touched here again. A few weeks ago, $1.54. We just broke through this area, so we touched it again. The body is currently just under that 154 area and descending. I think that is a perfect inverse head and shoulder pattern. What does that tell us? That tells us if we break this $1.54 level, once we break this, we are going up into the sky. How do we measure this target? You guys who follow me know this. Measure from the neckline to the bottom of the cup or the top of the head, whatever you want to call it. It could be a cup and handle. I'm going to call it an inverse head and shoulders. We take this measurement and we put it on our neckline, wherever we anticipate we might break out. Where does that tell us it's going? It looks, guys, this is pretty incredible. It looks like we are going to this, around this area here, 255. Our previous Fibonacci, let me get that out of the way for you. All right, 255, and our target over here, I'm going to draw a horizontal line, is 268. So if I were to draw a target area like I did down here, I would draw a box from here to here. I believe that is our target area. And that is, my friends, this is pretty incredible. because currently we sit at 146 and descending. I mean, you're looking at, if, let me zoom in again, put it in an auto. Let's get in here. All right. If we come back down and hit our level right here, the Fibonacci is 0.236. So we're going to say 22 cents. I mean, $1.22. If we go from $1.22 to that, what did I say the price target up there was? Anywhere from 255 to 268, you're going to double your money again. And that is how we do it, guys. So at this point, as I said, I am all out. I am not in this trade right now. I'm waiting for a proper price level. If it looks like we stick in this area here at $1.34, I may enter there. However, what I'd like to see is us to come back down. We need to really test this support line because I have talked about it forever, right? In all these videos, this is very important resistance, which is now appears like it's going to act like support. I want it to show us that it is support. I want us to come down and kiss our support level before we take off into the sky. And that price is anywhere from $1.19 to $1.22. That's where I'd like to see a beautiful re-entry level right in here. Anywhere close to here, that is re-entry, and you're talking over 2x from that point. All right. Anywhere from 255 would be the more conservative target to 268. That looks to be where good old basic attention token is going. All right. So I hope you found this video useful. And if you did, you guys know what to do. YouTube subscribers, hit that bell notification because then you will get free target projections on many of these cryptos from me. I'm just giving you the longer term target. My swing trades typically last from 3 to 5 weeks. Sometimes they go up to 2 months. Sometimes they last a few days. It depends on how volatile the current market is. And those of you who are founding members, right now I have a Black Friday special going on. You'll see the links in the description. And you can follow my trades on studamas.substack.com. I will send you a price alert on every trade I exit, on every trade I enter, as well as my portfolio allocation. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. You guys, good luck on this trade. I want to see everybody do well. So I wish you the best on this one.